Hello and welcome. Welcome to the Dr.A Health and Fitness. I'm Dr. Abid Rashid, and today we are going to talk about the coronavirus. Stay tuned. First and foremost, stay home. Please stay home. The healthcare system this time is overwhelmed, and the doctors are working in full capacity. The last thing this time you want to do is to visit the hospital and overburden the system. Now you are at home and you want to know when you should go to the hospital if you develop some kind of signs and symptoms. So for that reason, I have created a very simple score of 5 points called the Dr.A's COVID-19 score. So in this score, we will take 5 points and you will give yourself score, and accordingly you will decide what should be your next move. And these 5 points are: number 1, fever; number 2, cough; number 3, sore throat; number 4, if you have any kind of contact history; and number 5, if you have weakness in your body. Each of this category, each of these 5 points, you will give score 1. So you will have minimum score of 0 and maximum score of 5, right? So accordingly, we will decide what should be your next move. If you have score 2, equivalent to 2 or less than 2, you need to self-quarantine yourself at home. And you need to take proper care of yourself and to look closely for any kind of elevation in your signs and symptoms. And if your score is more, then you need to contact your healthcare provider.